I needed to drill some holes and tap them, put threads in them. So I picked up this tap and die set here off of Amazon. It has metric and SAE sizes in this. It comes with, cases for each one of those and these other pieces here. I'm going to go ahead and get everything out of the package, let you see what it comes with, and we're going to check this out. So I started looking for a tap and die set because I wanted to do some specific work that I'm working on right now, project I'm working on right now. But when I started researching and looking for the best deal, I found that this is a huge set that will cover the project I'm working on now, plus many other projects in the future, and it was almost the same price. So the value is definitely here in these kits. It comes with this point here, this punch here for drilling, so you can punch exactly where you need it to be and drill it. So that's cool. I mean, that just wasn't even expecting it to come with that. It comes with the manual, so just basically how you do it and what this all comes with. So, decent little manual, even a set of gloves. And let's look at these. So this is the SAE size. So the cool thing too is that another set that I was looking at that was much smaller didn't really have a case. So this not only has more in it, but it has an entire case for you to store everything when you're done. So it comes with all of these pieces. I mean, why wouldn't you get it? So it's got this for the SAE side. It's going to have pretty much the same thing for the metric size. And I mean, it comes with just extra little pieces too. These are like files. Man, there's a screwdriver. Comes with a screwdriver already in it. So this can go in there and you can clean out threads. And of all different sizes. It's got the actual tools to hold all of the pieces for this. I mean, it just has everything you need. Like I said, even comes with a screwdriver. It had one in the other one too. So, wow. I mean, yeah, great kit. Like I said, and for the price, you just can't beat it. So why buy onesies and twosies of these things when you need them, when you can get a whole kit that comes with a case and everything in it for any projects you need. Now, if you never do this, then maybe you would want just buying the very small pieces and that's it. But I've had to actually thread holes that I've drilled many times, and I just don't know why I waited so long to get a whole kit. They look like the same quality too as if you would buy them individually, so it's not like this seems to be a cheaper set. It's just everything's all together, and since you're buying it all together as a kit, it just comes out cheaper. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.